Selam.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sala. Today I am here with a nice video again. Today we will see all the features of the single-story prefabricated building behind me, inside and out. We will talk about the inside and outside of this building together with you guys. If you subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button and turn on the notifications by pressing the bell button, you will not miss the next videos, friends. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. Let's start our video then. Yes, our new building is a building designed as 83 square meters 2+1. This building is our office building showroom. Since our office building is currently an office building in our buildings, we use it in the form of a +1. In other words, we use one living room section and one as a kitchen. On the roof, we used the sheet material we call metal tile. This material is more aesthetic, more elegant. It makes our buildings look better in terms of health and in our prayers. The process we call siding has been applied. Let me show you closely. The material that you see on this wall, which is laid in layers with a pattern, is not a plastic material, like we said American. It is also a product of Batopa, Pimento and Work Long. Give me a material produced in the same year. Let me show you on this uncoated facade of our building. For example, our customers can see both the coated and uncoated versions of our building. Ceiling height of our building is 2/80. It has a more spacious and higher ceiling. A little bit. We got caught. This is our building to make it more ostentatious. Yes, friends, let's go inside our building and show you inside our building. That's why you are currently seeing office furniture. In the residential project of this building, this is the section you entered. Let me show it as an American kitchen living room. Generally, our customers prefer kitchen countertops to that opposite section. When we enter through the steel door, a huge living room welcomes us. This is the toilet and bathroom in front of us. Our room on the right is our kitchen. Soldado brother, we have a huge room. This is how it is, to show you from the kitchen immediately. In the residential project of the building, this is normally the bedroom. In our office building, we needed a small kitchen like this. It says in the form of a tea house. Let me show you in our room. When we open the door, there is a bedroom of 15 square meters here. This is the area where the dome part protrudes for you. Let me try to show the pleasure of sitting in the living room. It has a room of 15 square meters. Let me show it right here in the toilet and bathroom section. Friends, in our toilet and bathroom section, the ceramic process is applied very easily in our 6 square meter buildings, friends. So there is no problem in the production of ceramics. One of the questions we ask a lot in prefabricated buildings is this ceramic process. Is it applied and can I install air conditioner like Toner M building? I don't know. Can I install a water heater? You ask them a lot. You can install 60 kilogram water heaters very easily. You can put a water tank of up to 2 tons on the roof, or you can put solar energy. All the operations in the reinforced concrete building are in prefabricated buildings. It is also applied, friends, and as I said, you can throw it under the TV if you want. There is no problem that will not carry it. Stones even here, we show in the stone cladding work that we have done, and stone cladding is done on the buildings in this way, on the inside or on the outside. If you want, stone cladding is done very easily. The wall has a bearing capacity, so there is a plaster coating process inside our building, friends, so our walls in the living room section. We can't see the joints, that is, the joint elements in any way. We can see our building in a salt way, that is, as if it were right on reinforced concrete. Here in our living room, our ceilings are as follows. The lathed interlocking system. The lines in between are metals, friends, gypsum board joints, and let me show you our ceilings on this island. Flat one. This for example, our standard is not gypsum coating in this room, for example, by doing the gold collection process, as I showed in our air hall section. Let me tell you, friends, we can remove the prefabricated buildings from their prefabricated appearance and give them a completely reinforced concrete look. Ooze friends, we don't have any problems. Yes friends. Our building is in the form of 2+1, that is, 2 bedrooms, an American kitchen and a living room. That's all I will tell you in this building, friends. You asked a lot of questions. I tried to answer a few of them. Thank you for watching me, friends. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you press the bell button and turn on the notifications, you can be informed about other videos. Friends, goodbye. Have a good time. Do you have a good time? Subscribe.